Dear student, today topic is law of chemical combination. So, in this particular law, we study 5 major topics and they are Avogadro hypothesis, Gay-Lussac's law, law of definite proportion and so many points, law of multiple proportion, others. But here in class 9th, we teach only 3 topics from the law of chemical combination. One is law of multiple proportion, second is law of mass conservation, and third is law of constant proportion or definite proportion. This 3 topic only we teach in the class 9th. So, the very first topic in law of chemical combination I will explain, that is law of multiple proportion. Law of multiple proportion. So, what is law of multiple proportion? Basic topic is law of chemical combination. Under this topic, there is a subtopic law of multiple proportion, and what it says, let me explain now. Try to understand this law. It states that suppose we have one compound. At first I will explain, then you try to read the text, I will try to relate with it. Okay. Once you see the example of SO3. Okay. So, in SO3 we have 2 elements, sulfur and oxygen. What is the atomic mass of sulfur? If you do not know, I am writing here, sulfur is 1632. Okay. It means the atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So, let us write that 32. And one oxygen. So, oxygen has atomic number 8 and mass number 16. For one oxygen, mass number is 16. For 3 oxygen, this is 16 3s are 48. Okay. Now, 32 is to 48. Then what is the simplest ratio for this? So, we can make it 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. So, can we write it 2 is to 3 in simpler form? Yes or no? So, now let me explain what the statement of multiple proportion. It states that when 2 elements combine together to make a compound, okay, then their fixed ratio of the mass. See, when one element combines with other element to form 2 or more different compound, see here SO3, I can prepare SO2 also, no problem. It is my choice. Okay. So, I can go for the SO2 preparation or SO3 preparation. In both the different compound, we have same element SO and SO. Okay. But what is the difference between SO2 and SO3? The mass of sulfur and the mass of sulfur same, but the amount of oxygen mass and the amount of oxygen mass here both are different, because here if I take the ratio, it will be for sulfur it is 32 and for one oxygen it is 16. So, for 2 oxygen it is 32. So, the ratio of their mass will be 1 is to 1, but here the ratio of mass will be 2 is to 3. Okay. This rule states that when 2 elements combine together to form 2 or more than 2 compounds, then they combine in the simpler and fixed mass ratio. See, different compound, then mass of element which combines with the constant mass of other element and bear a simple ratio. Okay. I hope you understood, but I want to give example of CO2 and CO. So, carbon has mass number, I am writing here, no problem, carbon has mass number 612 here and oxygen has of course 816, as you know already. Now, carbon, one carbon, so mass number 12 and one oxygen 16, 2 oxygen 32. What is the simpler form? The simpler form will be 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. So, it will be 3 is to 8 over. Multiple proportion states that elements combine in simple ratio to form a compound. That is it, over. CO, carbon has what? Mass number 12 and oxygen has mass number 16. So, it is 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So, the ratio will be, the simple ratio will be 3 is to 4. So, I hope you understood how to get the simple ratio, and once you get the simple ratio, I mean simplest, then work is done. You understood what is the law of multiple proportion. I hope you understood the law of chemical combination, under which it comes multiple proportion and some other laws also. I will separately shoot the video for other law of chemical combination. Thank you.